In this unit, we're going to look at different forms of linear equations. So we want to pay attention to, sort of the big picture here. We've explored slope, and now we're going to look at three forms of linear equations: standard form, point slope form, and slope intercept form. The first form will be standard form that we look at. So this is an example of an equation in standard form. 2x plus y is equal to 10. I want to try to find solutions for this equation. So I think if x is 1, 2 times 1 plus what will give me 10? Well, if x is 1, then y would have to be 8. And so I'm going to plot that on my coordinate plane here. 1, 8 is a solution. But what if x is 2? If x is 2, then y would have to be 6 in order for us to get 10 as the answer. And if x was 3, then y would have to be 4. Are you seeing a pattern here? But what if x was something like 6? 2 times 6 is 12. What would y have to be in order to get 10? Oh, y would have to be negative 2. So if x is 6, y is negative 2. And likewise, let's say if x was something like 0, y would have to be 10. So what we notice here, we notice that the dots that we put on to represent the different answers form a line. And this is true, right? Because if we have a linear equation, right, that word linear is in there, we're going to get a line when we graph it. And again, try to remember what we were discussing before. There are infinite solutions to this equation. Infinite solutions. So what we want to make sure we do is we show those infinite solutions by graphing them, okay? And every single point on this line represents a solution to this equation. And we put arrows on the end to show that there are infinite ones.